What's up, Mindful Mentors 12 community? It's Garmy, and today we're diving into how a $500 investment could potentially become $50,000 with AI penny stocks. The AI revolution is here, and while giants like Nvidia get the spotlight, the real explosive growth often comes from lesser-known penny stocks. These underdogs are building the future, and getting in early could be your ticket to life-changing wealth. I've researched 7 companies trading under $5 a share that could supercharge your portfolio. This isn't about hype or pump-and-dump schemes. These are real companies with real tech and massive potential. If you're ready to ride the AI wave without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. Let's dive into a company that's not just participating in the AI revolution but actively shaping the way we interact with technology. First up is SoundHound AI, ticker SOUN, a name you might want to remember. A true innovator in conversational intelligence. They're not just building AI, they're crafting experiences, making interactions with machines feel more natural and intuitive than ever before. Their tech powers voice assistants in cars and restaurants, enabling natural, human-like conversations with machines. Forget those robotic, stilted interactions of the past. SoundHound is bringing a new level of fluency and understanding to the world of AI. Frustrated with Siri or Alexa? SoundHound's platform understands complex queries, going beyond simple commands to grasp the nuances of human language, making voice interactions seamless. It's about creating a truly conversational experience, where you can interact with technology as easily as you would with another person. They're revolutionizing drive-thrus and in-car experiences, making them faster, more efficient, and more enjoyable. With major partnerships like Toyota, Mercedes-Benz, and Hyundai, these aren't just logos, they represent a significant validation of SoundHound's technology and its potential to transform the automotive industry. Every new car is a potential customer, representing a massive addressable market for SoundHound's voice AI solutions, and as vehicles become smarter, more connected, demand for SoundHound's tech will soar. The need for seamless, intuitive voice control will only increase as cars become increasingly sophisticated. The stock is still in penny territory, making it an accessible entry point for investors looking to capitalize on the AI boom. But analysts see huge upside, recognizing the disruptive potential of SoundHound's technology and its strategic partnerships. Thanks to their superior technology, which consistently outperforms competitors in terms of accuracy, speed, and natural language understanding, and industry validation, they've earned the trust of major players across various sectors, solidifying their position as a leader in the conversational AI space. Yes, they compete with giants like Google, Amazon, and Apple, but SoundHound's focus on enterprise solutions, providing customized voice AI solutions for specific industries and use cases, gives them an edge. This targeted approach allows them to deliver more tailored and effective solutions than their larger, more generalized competitors. For investors, this could be like getting in on the ground floor of smartphone tech before the iPhone revolutionized the world. High risk, high reward, but the growth potential is massive. If SoundHound can continue to execute on its vision and capitalize on the growing demand for conversational AI, the sky's the limit. SoundHound is my top pick for AI penny stocks to watch. Keep a close eye on this one. It could be a game changer. Let's delve into another company making waves in the tech sector. BigBear.ai, ticker BBAI. This company operates at the cutting edge of artificial intelligence, offering solutions that are increasingly vital in today's complex world. We'll explore what makes BigBear.ai a compelling player in its field, and why it's capturing the attention of investors and industry experts alike. BigBear.ai is specializing in AI analytics, with a particular focus on defense and intelligence applications. In an era defined by data overload, the ability to quickly and accurately analyze information is paramount, especially for those tasked with protecting national security. They help organizations make sense of massive data streams, transforming raw, unstructured information into actionable insights. Their technology sifts through the noise, identifying patterns and anomalies that would be impossible for humans to detect in a timely manner. Think satellites constantly gathering data from around the globe, drones providing real-time surveillance, and a vast network of sensors, all feeding information into a central hub. BigBear.ai, technology is giving national security agencies a critical edge by enabling them to process and understand this influx of data, leading to better decision-making and more effective responses to potential threats. Their client list includes the U.S. Department of Defense, a testament to the reliability and effectiveness of their AI solutions. and intelligence agencies who rely on BigBear.ai to provide them with the insights they need to protect the nation. These partnerships are solidified with long-term, high-value contracts, providing a stable revenue stream and demonstrating the ongoing demand for their specialized services. As global tensions rise and geopolitical landscapes become increasingly complex, the demand for their services is exploding. Nations are recognizing the importance of AI in maintaining security and staying ahead of potential adversaries. Consequently, government spending on AI is at an all-time high, with significant investments being made in companies like BigBear.ai that can deliver cutting-edge solutions. But BigBear.ai isn't solely focused on the public sector. They are also strategically expanding into commercial sectors, recognizing the broader applicability of their AI expertise. This includes areas like logistics and manufacturing, where AI can optimize processes, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. By using their battle-tested tech, refined through years of work with defense and intelligence agencies, they're solving real business problems and creating value for a wider range of clients. This diversification is key for scalable growth, reducing their reliance on government contracts and opening up new avenues for revenue generation. Now, it's important to note that the stock is volatile, as is common with many companies in the rapidly evolving AI sector. However, every new contract win serves to strengthen their fundamentals, building a more solid foundation for long-term success. For risk-tolerant investors who are comfortable with the inherent uncertainties of the tech market, BBAI offers a unique play at the intersection of AI and national security, a sector poised for significant growth in the coming years. If they continue to execute their strategy and keep winning contracts, today's price could very well look like a steal in the future, representing a potentially lucrative entry point for those willing to take the risk. Third is Lantronix, ticker LTRX, a quiet powerhouse in AI and IoT infrastructure. They make the hardware and software that connect smart devices, from hospital equipment to shipping trackers, to the cloud. Their edge computing tech processes data right on the device, making it faster and more secure, crucial for healthcare and logistics. In hospitals, their solutions connect and monitor thousands of devices, predicting maintenance needs and improving care. In logistics, their rugged trackers monitor assets worldwide, using AI to prevent costly issues. Lantronix stands out for its financial stability and steady revenue growth, unlike many speculative penny stocks. Their diverse customer base and smart acquisitions make them a reliable, under-the-radar play on the growth of connected devices. As IoT expands, so does Lantronix's opportunity. Fourth on our list is CEVA, ticker CEVA. This is a company that often flies under the radar, but plays a crucial role in the technology we use every day. They are in the business of designing the brains for next-generation smart devices. Think of them as the architects behind the intelligence powering a vast array of gadgets. They don't manufacture the chips themselves, but they create the designs that others use to build them. CEVA primarily licenses its intellectual property, specifically their ultra-low-power chip designs, to other companies. This means they grant these companies the right to use their designs in their own products, in exchange for a fee. And these designs are used in millions of gadgets across the globe. Just think about those wireless earbuds you use every day, or the wearables that track your fitness, even the drones capturing stunning aerial footage, and the ever-expanding universe of smart home devices that are making our lives more connected and convenient. CEVA's AI-optimized chip designs are particularly noteworthy. These designs enable devices to run incredibly complex algorithms, like those used for artificial intelligence, without significantly draining batteries. This is a crucial advantage in a world where battery life is a constant concern. Their tech powers health monitoring capabilities in wearables, allowing them to track vital signs and provide valuable health insights. They also provide vision processors used in drones and cars, enabling advanced features like object recognition and autonomous navigation. The business model itself is highly scalable. They design once, license to many different companies, and then collect royalties on every single chip that is shipped using their designs. Therefore, every new partnership or design win that CEVA secures has the potential to translate into millions of dollars in future revenue for the company. And as the demand for smarter, more efficient, and more connected devices continues to grow exponentially, CEVA's role in providing the underlying technology becomes even more critical to the entire ecosystem. Currently the stock is down, mirroring the performance of the broader semiconductor sector, which has faced headwinds recently. However, this dip in price could potentially represent a buying opportunity for investors, especially for those who are long-term believers in the growth potential of edge AI and the increasing demand for efficient chip designs. Fifth is BlackBerry, ticker BB, a surprising comeback as a leader in AI-driven cybersecurity and automotive software. Their QNX operating system is the gold standard for safety-critical systems, running in over 235 million cars. BlackBerry's Silence AI platform predicts and prevents cyber attacks, a must-have in today's threat landscape. Their partnership with Amazon Web Services produced BlackBerry Ivy, a cloud-connected platform transforming cars into intelligent data-driven machines. As their IoT and cybersecurity divisions grow, Wall Street may finally recognize BlackBerry's transformation. It's a high-risk turnaround, but with leadership in automotive software and cutting-edge AI security, BlackBerry has two powerful growth engines. For contrarian investors, this is a bold bet with explosive potential. Sixth is Remark Holdings, ticker MARK, specializing in AI-powered computer vision for security and retail. Their tech can identify faces, analyze behavior, and detect threats in real time, deployed in airports, stadiums, and smart cities, especially in Asia. In retail, their AI analyzes customer traffic and sentiment, helping stores optimize layouts and improve service. The company's reliance on the Chinese market brings both massive opportunity and significant risk. Mark is volatile, but their proven technology and growing market for AI video analytics could mean big rewards. If they land major contracts outside Asia, the stock could skyrocket. It's a speculative play on the future of AI-powered surveillance and retail intelligence. Last is Innodata, ticker INOD, the essential data provider for the AI industry. They collect, clean, and label massive data sets for training AI models, working with giants like Google. As generative AI explodes, demand for Innodata's services is surging. Their proprietary AI-powered platforms make them more efficient and accurate than competitors. Innodata is a picks and shovels play, selling the tools every AI company needs. The market underestimates their sticky client relationships and the generative AI tailwind. For investors, INOD is a foundational bet on the growth of AI itself. There you have it. 7 AI penny stocks that could turn $500 into a fortune. Each company is uniquely positioned for explosive growth in the AI revolution. Remember, penny stocks are high risk. Do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you found value in this video, hit the thumbs up, share with a friend, and subscribe to Mindful Mentors 12 for more. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these AI stocks are you most excited about? Drop a comment below and let us know. Thanks for watching.